Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install 3 WhatsApp in on Android phone. Look here, this is my on WhatsApp. So after that, click on to setting option, scroll down, find app cloner, find WhatsApp, clone your WhatsApp, enable, go back. Look at showing here to WhatsApp, and now showing here to install a third WhatsApp. Go to Play Store, search here to WhatsApp Business and just click on to install. So that's how we can easily install 3 WhatsApp in on Android phone. If this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial debate channel for more video.